What's up, everybody? It's Nikki, and welcome back to another video. Thanks so much for clicking on this video, guys. I really do appreciate you for it. So on today's video in my series of watch me unbox and assemble household furniture, I bring to you a coffee table. Of course, you cannot see it. Let me see if I can lift it up. But there it is in the box. You guys, when I tell y'all I am so super excited to have this coffee table, I know I say I'm excited about a lot of stuff, but I really am. We're going through this transition with the house to where we're redoing, we're putting new things in the house, kind of redesigning, redecorating, remodeling, all of those things. So you'll see a lot of that coming up on my channel this year. But I am super excited to open this and assemble this because it matches the other decor that I have already put together. The dining table and chair set and the bar stools. So super excited to put this together as well and unbox it, see what all comes in it, and replace what you guys are sitting on right now, which is a coffee table that my husband got from his job. And I'll show you guys. It matched the brown that we had in here, but that's not where we are anymore as far as like the whole brown decor. It's molding into gray now. So, and we really like it. Gray is a really neutral color. And I'm very excited to redecorate our living area and our kitchen area with that. So anyway, without further ado, and if you're as ready as I am to go ahead and unbox and open this good old box up and go ahead and assemble, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe on this video, you guys. Definitely press that post notification so you know every single time I post a brand new video, because I post videos and unbox and assemble so that you guys see what you get before you get it. That is my job for you. So definitely subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a video. Again, without further ado, let's get into it, guys. So hey guys, I am just going to go ahead and start opening. See, I think I want to raise you guys up a little bit and then turn you guys down a little bit so y'all can see what's going on. So be careful when you utilize knives to open up your boxes. Assembly instruction, few pages here, shows you what we need to assemble, hardware list, parts list, and assembly instructions. So this looks like it's going to be pretty easy, guys, pretty quick and easy. I'm just gonna turn it upside down and see what falls out of the box. hardware inside. All right, guys, and as I always show y'all, if y'all can see, the inside of the box is empty now. See? Yep, yep, yep. And then we have this box with, I am sure, the legs of the table in there. Yep, legs of the table right here. And the aftermath. So of course, top of the table here with the holes to put in the legs. The hardware right there. So I'll be back, guys. I'm going to clean up my mess. Okay. All right, see you in a moment. Okay, guys, so this is the old coffee table, kind of, because it's really not a coffee table. It was just, I think it's just a side table. Really, comment down below if you guys know the exact description of what this is, but it's really not a coffee table. So I'm just waiting for the camera to get some more juice so that it does not run out while I'm filming. And as soon as it does, then I will be right back with you guys. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey you guys, so I am back. I tried to let the camera charge up a little bit, but I don't think I did much of anything. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and finish this assembly as quick as I can before this battery does run out. So yeah, I wanna just show you guys the parts really quick of what all that I have to work with. And again, it looks like it's a really quick project. I didn't tell you guys where I got the table from. I did order it from the Home Depot. That is a website that, or a store, that's the store that had what I wanted, what I was looking for. So I went ahead and ordered it from there. So let me go ahead and show you guys the parts and quit talking before this battery runs out. So here we go. Guys, I'm gonna just set you guys up and get started. Hey guys, so I'm removing this screw. This is real life, people. So no, I didn't follow the instructions fully. But I'm removing this screw so that I can, instead of just putting in that spring washer, which I'll show you guys a picture of that on the screen, I also had to put in the flat washer in here as well. So it goes the flat washer, the spring washer, and then the bolt goes in. So I am taking out the Allen bolt, the spring washer, and putting in the flat washer in there as well. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is how it goes. Is the flat washer, the spring washer, and then the Allen bolt. So I'm going to insert that into here. And yeah. Alright guys, so this is how it will look once the correct assembly is there. So for the last part is just pushing this together and doing the cam lock in the correct position so that it tightens this together, and I'll show you guys that really quick. Good to go. See, just have to put them in there the right way and be patient, which I am not sometimes. Had a few mishaps, but that's okay, it happens. So this is the table fully assembled. Put some decor on it and we'll be good to go. So again guys, I am on my phone. I am done assembling the coffee table. It is American Heritage round coffee table that I got from Home Depot. I think I'm really gonna like it. Just a simple table, simple round table. We had a lot of square things in the house, so I wanted to kind of break that up with something round. So again, I'll put some decor on there. I'll probably show you guys later in another video or something like that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I feel accomplished once again in this furniture unboxing, put together, assemble type video series. So again, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what else you would like to see. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below. I'll also leave a price of how much I paid for it about right here as well. But again, guys, I do this, guys, so you guys do not have to. So don't forget to hit those post notifications so you know the next time I post another video. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace. Okay, guys, so this is the table all finished up.